This has to be the most delayed Prada unboxing ever. Because Anshul gifted me this bag on my birthday last year, and after almost a whole year of using it, I'm finally sitting down to make this video. But before I show you the bag, can we talk about this box? Look at the size of it. When I first saw it, I had absolutely no clue what was inside. The box was so huge that carrying it around was a task in itself. And honestly, a Prada bag was not even on my list of guesses. Then I opened it. And there it was, my very first Prada bag. I was completely shocked. It was such a thoughtful surprise, and I genuinely wasn't expecting it at all. It made my birthday so special, and even now, every time I use this bag, it reminds me of that moment. I have been using this bag for almost a year now. And one thing I really love is the size. It's compact enough to look elegant, but surprisingly spacious for everyday use. I can easily fit my phone, card holder, keys, lip balm, sunglasses, and a few other small essentials without feeling like the bag is overcrowded. The nylon material also makes it much lighter than many other leather luxury bags, which means it's comfortable to carry for long periods. One of the reasons this bag became so popular is its timeless design. It's simple, practical, and doesn't go out of style. Whether I'm going for brunch, shopping, traveling, or just heading out for the day, it works with almost every outfit. And my favorite part, the crossbody strap. Because let's be honest, sometimes comfort wins over fashion. This bag has been with me for almost a year now, so I think it deserves a little spa day at Prada for the handle. And don't forget, always keep your luxury bags in their dust bags. They need that extra care. And a big thank you to Anshul for this beautiful surprise. It still means a lot. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.